Okay, you might notice this is kind of quiet. This is a D12A 601 Robbins & Myers, and it's on low. Yeah, it needs a little work. Some paint. The oscillator function doesn't work, or probably more correctly, I don't know how to use the oscillator function. I tighten the screw, nothing happens. I loosen the screw, nothing happens, and it just goes tick-tock when you turn it. So I assume something's wrong with the oscillator. I don't remember where we got this fan. I honestly don't remember. And before anybody says anything, yes, indeed, 100%, that is the correct way for the base to go. I've seen several posts online on Facebook of fans similar to this saying that, oh, the base is on backwards. No, this is correct. That's how the base is supposed to go. In fact, on this fan, it's the only way it can go. So, just saying. Okay, so you've heard and seen low. Otherwise, this fan is untouched. I didn't do anything. It just simply works. So, I'm going to turn it off. Excellent shape. Let's try high. Now, as you can see, the airflow is immense. But yet I can have a regular conversation and you can barely hear the fan in the background even though it's a foot away. Whew, but yeah. All right, now we're going to flip it over to medium. Like I said, needs a little paint work here and there. But it runs very smoothly and quietly. And then we'll go back to low. Cord's in good shape. The grill and the blade's in good shape. It's just the body needs some little touch-up paint. You know, this may have been a gift from Emerson Colley. I honestly don't remember at this time. And also, to answer some of your questions, Spats will be back. He's just been incredibly busy at work and doing other things. So, yeah, he's not had any time to work on videos. I've been doing them all. And I hope you all are okay with that. I know some people prefer him over me, but doing the best we can here. Wanted to keep bringing you things to showcase. So there we have it. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, hit like so we'll know it. Subscribe, ring that bell. And if you would like to participate in assisting us with making these videos, you can join us on our Patreon page. We're beginning to post content there for patrons only. There's some pretty interesting stuff, so check us out. Link is in the description. Until tomorrow, everybody have a great day.